Hey, what's going on, guys? And today I'm gonna do something that I've never done before. I'm gonna react to a video called Extreme Burping in the Library Prank. It says Extreme Burping in the Library goes wrong. Which I can't read the channel name for some reason. It's really a weird one, but I'm sure you guys will find it. It's this guy right here. I do not own this video, so please don't delete this one. I'm excited because I watched it before and it's really funny. So hope you guys enjoy, and let's do this. What the heck? It's a weird intro. That kid's screaming in the background. Are you serious? Oh god. Her face is, oh my god. Oh god, the cop. Busted, yep. Got banned from the library. Oh wow, yeah. That's so rude from them. Oh my. Oh man. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Their faces though. How did he burp that loud? People just hear when they go in the library, the first thing they hear is just that. They probably leave after they hear that. They're like, nope. Oh, well, that was pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed. That was very funny. The people's faces, the people. Oh my god. Oh, that was funny. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.